Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide your active status on Instagram. So if you don't want anyone to find out when you are on or open when you are currently open your Instagram apps, you can just turn off the active status. So this is how you can do it. First, you can head to your profile and then go to the three lines icon at the top, and here you can just scroll down until you find this option, how others can interact with you. Click on this messages and story replies, and you'll find this one, who can see you are online. So this is to turn off the active status. You can click on this show activity status. So if you turn it on, it will allow accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you are last active or are currently active on Instagram app. So if you want to keep your privacy, you can turn this off so you won't be able your followers won't be able to see when you are online or vice versa. So let's just click on this circle to turn it off and hide your active status. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.